Welcome to this YouTube channel, and welcome. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your comment what you don't understand, and also subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for future updates. And also you can message this number on the screen right now, or check the description box to send us a direct WhatsApp message if you don't understand anything, or you want a kind of one-on-one consultation, or you want help. Are you getting what I'm saying? So thank you very much. So in this place I'm going to be showing you how to make payment for your disabled account. That is, when your Facebook account is disabled because you have a debt. Are you getting what I'm saying? How to clear your debt. So on this screen right now we have something like account disabled, we couldn't process your payment, pay the amount due to run as again. So on this current balance we have 427 naira here, and also in the payment methods we have 3 cards here. So this person has problem with paying with these cards. Are you getting what I'm saying? As well, I am just logging into her account, trying to help her with this particular problem. So if you have problem concerning this kind of particular things, or you follow this video and you are not able to do it, you can just send me a WhatsApp message. Irrespective of any country you are, I can help you. Do you understand? So let's click on pay now. Let's click on pay now, and we have the amount here, which is 427 naira. Okay, so I'm going to select the card, do you understand, that I want to use. Then I'm going to click on pay now, and I'm going to hit pay now. So let's check if this payment is going to be successful, if you are actually going to make our payment right now. So let's check it out. Boom, the payment was successful. Even if you listen to my phone right here, you're going to see something like a kind of beep, a tone beep. Are you getting what I'm saying? Like a debit beep. So let's click on, you're going to see something like success, 427 naira paid successfully. Do you understand? So you can see, let's click on done. Okay, can you see this screen that we can see here? Current balance 0.75 naira, no payments due at this time. So that ban has been lifted. Okay, now let me reload this page. Let's see if this payment not completed, your ads have stopped, blah blah blah. Let's see if it's going to still show. Let me reload the screen right now. You can see right now that thing has disappeared. Are you getting what I'm saying? It has just disappeared. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are able to do this using this video guide. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, and check out the description box to send us a WhatsApp message. Irrespective of your country, I can help you. Stay healthy and peace out.